To use the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first you can try to find secure folder app on your phone. If you cannot find it, then click on the settings and look for the security and privacy. Scroll down, find more security settings, and then you should be able to find secure folder right here. Now, if you click on it for the first time, it will ask you to create your own password for the secure folder. Then if you enter that password, it will open secure folder settings. And now the secure folder is set up and you should be able to find the app for it. So now we can open this secure folder app, and from there you will see this panel. And what you can do here is basically clone apps, hide apps behind the password, or hide your files. You can add apps that are cloned or hidden by clicking on this plus button and then select whichever app you like. Then to access this app, you will need to go right here, for example, camera, and click on it, and that it will create another instance of this app. And additionally, we can click on the three dots and then add files to hide. And in this case, we're going to go with images, and I'm going to hide those three images. Click on done, and we can copy or move them. I'm going to move them. And now to access those files, you will need to open gallery right here in the secure folder, and that way you'll see your hidden photos. The same goes with the files. If you hide any other files, you need to click on My Files app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.